Wow, YouTube banner dimensions can be so frustrating. First of all, they look different if you're looking at it on a mobile phone versus on a TV versus on a computer. They show completely different things. But then in YouTube support docs, it'll show a different set of dimensions, as well as what's suggested in most graphic design programs. And even this great preview tool that YouTube gives us is not 100% accurate. Good news is this is totally solvable, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do to have your banner look perfect across all the different devices so you can achieve your goals with your business and your YouTube channel. So first, when we dig a little deeper into YouTube support, they do suggest this size as a minimum, but you're actually going to want to upload it at this full size, which is 2560 times 1440 pixels. The reason for this is not only because you want it to be as high resolution as possible, but also because living room consumption of YouTube content is growing. So if somebody looks at your channel on their TV, and TVs just keep getting higher and higher resolution, right? You want it to look as crisp as possible. You can imagine if somebody pulled up your channel on TV and it looked pixelated, how unprofessional that would probably be. Now, I've got this template I'm gonna share with you here in just a second so you can make it super easy for yourself. But first, let's understand how they show up on different devices. So when you go to upload your banner art, first you see just this section here is highlighted, everything else is sort of washed out. This is the part that will show on a mobile phone. So this is where you want to have the most important part of whatever you want on your channel banner. They will not see this top part or bottom part or these edges on a mobile phone. Now, if we go over and we hover over viewable on desktop, now this is what they'll see on a desktop computer. Mostly. Now, I want to point out really quick, you'll notice that if you see the JP, the Jerry Potter logo on the right side there, there's not a whole lot of stuff next to that. But if we look at my channel banner on a computer, you can actually see there's quite a bit more room over here. So even though it doesn't show it in this preview, know that it's there and you can add content there if you want. So again, there's more space. Now, when I click viewable on desktop here, you'll see I didn't add anything extra on the sides, but I've done it in the past with different channel banner designs. And then if I hover over viewable on TV at the top, this is closer to what someone will see on a TV. However, this is not 100% accurate either. First of all, this main part of the channel banner here where it says viewable on all devices, and the section at the bottom is also being covered up. But this section at the top where I've got a picture of my face there, and you'll see a QR code off to the right that's cut off in this preview view, that actually does show on TVs. So that's a little bit of an opportunity. You can add more at the top that you want to show on TVs, even though it doesn't show on other devices. So right now I have this picture of me speaking, which I think adds to my authority if somebody visits the channel. And I added a QR code because I'm picturing somebody sitting on their couch watching TV and maybe they'll scan it and see where it goes. So here's how to actually line everything up for your channel banner. First, grab this template that I've linked up to in the description of this video, okay? Then load it into whatever graphics program you or your designer are using, and then go ahead and make it match the full screen. Don't worry about the resolution on this, it's just a placeholder. And then I'm doing this here in Canva, but most programs should let you change the transparency. So I'm gonna lower the transparency down, let's try 70%. And now I can see my actual design behind. And so this is how I know what will show everywhere, what will show on desktop, and what will show on TV. So then you can go through and you can move things around if you need to, and then place the template back over it to see if everything lines up. Once you've got it the way you want it, then you can just delete this template layer and download your channel banner. Now, what some people don't know is that the channel banner is only one of 12 different things you can optimize on your YouTube channel to increase your conversions, branding, chance of getting found in search. So I put together a whole list, the YouTube channel checklist for entrepreneurs. So again, it's totally free. Click the more button below this video to get to the description so you can grab that link before YouTube jumps on to another video, all right? Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. We'll see you in the next video.